Let's fix the most common Malwarebytes issues. Don't worry, this is easy, we'll go step by step. Here's everything we're going to fix. These are the real issues people run into all the time. If the app refuses to open, kill the Malwarebytes service from Task Manager and relaunch it. If that doesn't do it, run as admin or reboot. When the protection toggle won't turn on, just switch it off and on inside security settings. If it stays stuck, the support tool usually fixes it. If Malwarebytes keeps crashing, it's usually a fight with another antivirus or just corrupted files. The Clean Reinstall tool fixes this in one go. If malware keeps coming back after a scan, run a deeper custom scan and enable rootkit detection. Safe mode helps too. If updates won't install, clear the update cache. Malwarebytes will rebuild it automatically. If your system slowed down after installing Malwarebytes, list your main folders and turn off rootkit scanning for normal use. If activation fails, double-check your email and key. If everything's right, use the support tool's account repair function. When a scan freezes at 0, disable rootkit scanning for now, restart, and try a normal threat scan. And if nothing works, just use the support tool's clean option. It wipes everything and installs a fresh copy. And that's it. You're good to go. If you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this, hit subscribe.